Hi, welcome to iOS tutorial. Let's see how to implement UISlider in iOS app. Slider you're going to use to select the particular value from the range of values. Let's see how to implement those things in Xcode. First, select new project. Give the name for select single view application. Give the name project as the UISlider example. Example. Click next. It will ask where to save. Select desktop and create it. Once it has been done, go to storyboard, select any background color for your things. It's not a mandatory, but to looking good I am doing this one. Let's select UISlider. It's similar to doing the UI switch. Select UISlider and drag it here. Select, click on assistant editor. Let's set IB outlet properties for the switch. This slider, sorry, my slider. I will take it as a my slider. Outlet connect. Similarly, you have to write the IB action for this one. How to write plus control, and this is slider action CTION. This is should be action. Let's go to vcontrol.m file and you have to synthesize the my slider. My slider. For slider, you have to set the maximum value as well as the minimum value, and you have to set the another properties that continuous. Either it may be continuous, my slider dot continuous should be no, or maybe it may be S. Let's see what is the difference between S or no for the continuous property. Let's implement that one. My slider, let's my slider dot maximum value is equal to, I am going to give 99.0. My slider dot minimum value I am going to give it as the is equal to 10.0. I have to give the float value because there is a floated data. Next, my slider dot continuous, another property will be there. My slider dot continuous you have to specify is equal to, first I will give no. Let's see what will be. It should be not continuous. My slider dot continuous is equal to, I will select as no. My slider, next you have to add the target function. It has to change, it has to call once the value has been changed in this slider. That for that, how to call that one? My slider at target. My slider at target self, from which class? From this class I'm going to call tab action at selector. Inside that one you have to type slider action. For events, UI control events, touch up inside. Now value change. Once you change the value on the slider, it's going to call this method. Here you are going to get the value, what is the particular value on the slider, and you are going to print using the NSLog. You have to take percentage f comma my slider dot value. Once you are done this one, let's run the program. Let's see how what will be the output for this one. See, I've taken continuous is equal to no. Now it is value means 10 to 99 it's taking. Now see, value is 98, 99. See, I'm getting not getting regular interval of value, means when I stop the value is going to print. If I want continuous series of value, what for that, what I have to do, I have to make it as yes and rerun it again. Going to see what is the difference between S and no. I hope you all understand about UISlider. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.